Good evening to everyone. We are Cristel, Gabriela, Calderón, and Jairo Hernández, Palomeque, and we are going to talk about this topic, which is validity, reliability, and piloting. Validity means if the results are accurate according to the research, and for that we have six variables. The first one is content validity, that focuses on analyzing a specific test. Then phase validity, and it's about what is supposed to measure and to assess. Construct validity, it's more about observations. Criterion related validity, it analyzes the research outcome, in this case, the dependent variable. Predictive validity is how one variable affects another, and the internal validity, that is any relationship between two or more variables.
Then we have the reliability. We have inter-other and intra-other reliability, instruments, test retest, equivalence of forms, and internal consistency. Each one helps us in our instruments in different ways. So we need to check it which one is more efficient to your instrument. Uh, then we have the our first instrument, and the type is agreement scale questionnaire. This is according to our dependent variable, and the organization of our instrument and characteristics are is a series of statements, all which are related to a particular target. Respondents are asked to indicate the extent from they agree or disagree with the items. And the questions will be related to the way that the students see and how they feel the class with the strategies of the professor implementing, and if if this has had an impact in their motivation. Then we have the validity criteria. We're going to use the phase because we can use such type of validity in research for representing the particular that's suitable for accomplishing the aim. And then we're going to use relating criteria. We're going to use intra-router reliability because we can implement or instrument into different times. And finally, the Palomeque criteria. This is going to help us to improve our items to be more precise what we're asking and what we need to get.
Then for our second instrument, we want to make an observation scheme that is for our independent variable, which are the strategies that the teacher use in the classroom. And the organization of our instrument, we are going to run up a table, and we're going to write categories, and we are going to give them a rating depending on the observations. The validity criteria that we thought about was construct validity, because we want to observe and make sure that the participants in attention and attitude. And then the reliability, uh, we discuss about the internal consistency, because we are going to measure the influence of those strategies in the classroom. And finally, the piloting criteria, we're going to implement our own Talos table, and we're going to see if the teacher use the same strategy, or if the strategies are varied, and the treatment to the students.
Okay, that's all for us. Thank you for watching us and see you later.